Assalamualaikum students, open your SST book of class 7, history portion, chapter number 16, the road to the independence. In this chapter we are going to study 1911 to 1931. In this chapter we also study about the role of Muslim League for the independence and for the separate electoral system, and the early participation of Muhammad Ali Jinnah in the INC, and then Muslim League, and also Lucknow Pact. And then we also study the 14 points of the Muhammad Ali Jinnah and the round table conference, what are the significance and the failures and of the round table conference. The first world war took place from 1911 to 1918. In 1911, when was annulment of Bengal done, the Muslims are awakened by their minds that they understood then that Muslims and Hindus are the separate, they can't live with each other. But they started to resume, or they started to study their rights and their political rights also. Muslim League in 1906 founded, and they started working about the Muslims. When 1904, in that time, Quaid-e-Azam was also the part of the Muslim League and Indian National Congress. But when the World War took place 1914 to 1918, Indian troops played a large part in the fighting, especially Mesopotamia, present-day Iraq, where the Muslim soldiers were fighting against the fellow Muslim Turks, because Britishers are against Khilafat-e-Usmaniya. So Muslim soldiers fought their Muslim brothers Turks. Indian soldiers, including Muslims, suffered terrible casualties and very brutal treatment. Obviously, they fought each against, so they didn't have any mercy towards them. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, leading Muslim figure and already member of Indian Legislative Council, and in 1913 Muslim League he joined. He became a president 3 years later. He was a strong supporter of United Subcontinent and tried to get the Indian National Congress and Muslim League to work together towards this end. At Lucknow in 1960, he reached an agreement with the Congress to cooperate with separate electorate for the Muslims and Hindus in all futures. ओके उस पर देन बिकॉज कायदे आज़म जो थे उन्होंने 1913 में मुस्लिम लीग को ज्वाइन किया, लेकिन वो एट अ टाइम मुस्लिम इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस के भी मेंबर थे, क्योंकि कायदे आज़म ने पॉलिटिक्स जो है वो अपनी इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस से स्टार्ट की, और पाकिस्तान जो कायदे आज़म थे वो हिंदू मुस्लिम इत्तेहाद के सबसे बड़े सपोर्टर थे. ठीक है, तो उनकी इस कोशिशों की वजह से 1960 में एक पैक्ट हुआ जिसको लखनऊ पैक्ट कहते हैं, एक एग्रीमेंट हुआ जिसको लखनऊ पैक्ट कहते हैं. उसमें कांग्रेस और मुस्लिम लीग दोनों पार्टीज़ जो हैं वो एक टेबल पे बैठी और उन्होंने ये डिसाइड किया कि मुसलमानों को सेपरेट इलेक्टोरेट दें और हिंदूज़ को सेपरेट, मींस के मुस्लिम कैंडिडेट को मुस्लिम वोट्स करेंगे और हिंदू कैंडिडेट को हिंदूज़ वोट करेंगे.